I started chewing cloves and was surprised by the results. Start chewing cloves right now and you will thank me for it. So come on, tell me in the comments if you have cloves in your house and if you will use them for your own purposes. Also tell me the city where you are watching this video from. The clove is very tasty and helps to combat severe headaches. Besides that, it fights fever, helps in the treatment of sore throat, among other infections. The substances found in clove increases the salivation of the person. This greatly facilitates the rapid burning of fat. The spice also fights nausea and stomach discomfort. It is also a powerful antioxidant and has great capacity to release hydrogen, which is related to the breakdown of polyunsaturated fats. Besides fighting bacteria in the mouth, clove tea also helps to fight bad breath. In spite of being very used in the culinary segment, the clove also presents great efficiency for the aesthetic treatment. Its oil is also widely used in the treatment of acne, and very efficient in the treatment of brittle nails. In addition, it combats skin diseases such as mycosis and others. It is also possible to produce from clove. The remedies based on clove or even they themselves, in pure form, should never be administered or consumed by pregnant women, because the clove substances can cause contractions in the uterus of women. The exaggerated use of cloves in irritated mucous areas is also contraindicated. Okay. So let's now learn a little recipe to prepare the cloves. First put the water to boil and then put the cloves. Then, take it. You can take up to 2 cups a day. So, did you know about these benefits of cloves? Tell me about them in the comments, okay? Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in Proverbs 24:6, he who goes out to war needs guidance, and with many counselors victory is obtained. Facing the daily challenges of life can often feel like you are in the middle of a battle. This is especially true when difficulties seem to attack us. However, we can always present our requests to the Lord, as He promises to comfort and sustain us. This verse reminds us that victory can be achieved by seeking the wisdom of others who have experienced similar challenges, and how they can provide valuable advice. It is often a good idea to get a second opinion on important decisions we are facing. Thank you for watching this video so far. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.